Hi friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problems, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends. But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. For this reason, Dr. Vijay Dahifale has started Unique Show. Folks, this is one of its kind platform where you will be able to share all your sex related questions and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your sex related problems. But before starting the actual show, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have doctor here with us in our studio. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are meeting after three and a half months and this is our live episode.
Sure.
So, sir, in last few months we are hearing this
Corona pandemic
word called Corona, and which is very irritating actually. So, with public demand, you have selected this special topic called sex and Corona pandemic.
Definitely.
So, sir, first of all, very important question, very crucial question is that are we supposed to have sex in this corona pandemic?
Yeah, definitely, friends. After a long time, we are meeting with this corona pandemic. Each and everybody is panic, but still, we are supposed to live in this panic situation also in a very good manner by preventing, by taking care of using this special social distancing, using masks and sanitizers. But you cannot stop your personal life. You cannot stop your sexual activity. And here, today, I am going to give you all guidelines in the form of sex education, sexual awareness, sexual safety, how to perform the sex, what is the advantage of performing the sex, and what precautions and what measures have to be taken. And Sumit, you can again ask me something.
Definitely, sir. First question would be what kind of precaution that one needs to take while having sex during this corona pandemic situations?
Yeah, surely one line I will tell you, you are supposed to do the sexual activity very regularly in this corona pandemic period. Why? Because you have to develop your antibodies. You have to develop your immunities. You have to produce your IgG, IgA and IgM. But what precaution to be taken? Most important that your partner should not be corona positive. Your partner should not be unknown. You should avoid the kissing, and even if your partner is known and if suppose he is coming from outside or she is coming from outside, you have to take care that you should use the mask, and by using these measures, you can do it very, very safely.
Definitely, sir. We have first caller with us. We have Rahul from Pune. Rahul, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected. Rahul, your phone is connected. You can ask your question to the doctor.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Sir, whether masturbation is safe during corona pandemic?
Okay. During corona pandemic, whether masturbation is safe or not? So this is very important question.
Yes.
We are describing about social distancing, we are describing about sanitizers, we are describing about masks. And if you both are separate, then how to enjoy the sex? So in such a situation, years, months or together, this corona will live with you. And suppose your partner not with you, with proper precaution, with proper measures, by using lubricants. You have HM lubricant with us. You can perform the masturbation without giving much more pressure, but not as a routine. Slowly, day by day, when the condition will come back to normal, definitely you can go for this masturbation. Or sometimes you can talk with your partner on telephone also, or you can go ahead with some other type of sex. We'll see it one by one later on.
Definitely, sir. Moving ahead, one more very crucial question. After having sexual activities, what are the chances of spreading corona?
Yes. Smith, first I'll tell you all the people, this is not a sexually transmitted disease.
Okay.
Means what? Suppose, for example, HIV. HIV is a sexually transmitted disease. Means by not using protection, if you perform the sex, definitely you are going to affect. But if suppose in such a corona pandemic, with your known partner, you have performed the sex without condom, so there is no any problem. But how it is spreaded? If that person, that fellow, male or female, is positive, and in that case you are using condom also, but still you will definitely pass on this corona from one person to other person, because this is generated, it's an airborne infection from droplets, from nasal secretions, from saliva. So in such a cases, you are supposed to avoid the kissing, and definitely if suppose you are using any other measures like oral sex and anal sex, then you have to use a dental dam to prevent the transmission of disease and to control this coronavirus spread during the sex by indirect method, not by direct sexual activity. Yeah.
So just now you mentioned about
Yeah.
kissing. So
Sure.
what are the chances of spreading corona
Yes.
while kissing? Or
Definitely. Again, I will give you something different thing. You should not go for dating.
Okay.
You should not go with your other partners, unknown partners. Why? Because we don't know the situation of that partner.
Right.
By kissing directly, saliva is transported from one person to other person. The droplet are transmitted. For safety purpose, you are supposed to. There are some tongue condoms also.
Okay.
Yeah, some dental dams also. By using that, you can perform. But as far as possible, avoid kissing to prevent the spread of this corona from one person to another partner. Yeah.
Sir, we have one more caller with us. We
We'll
have
get
Reena from Goa.
Yeah.
Reena, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
During Corona pandemic, is there any role of using mask in sexual activity?
Yeah,
Sir,
excellent.
I think this is very important question.
Important, very important question. We are expecting, means they are asking so openly. It's a very knowledgeable for other peoples, whether to use mask during sexual activity or not. I'll say yes. I'll say no also.
Okay.
When yes, if suppose the partner is unknown, your partner is working somewhere outside and partner came back to your home, you don't know whether they are carrier or not. So in such a cases, while performing sexual activity, definitely you are supposed to use the mask that will prevent the airborne infection. And when no, when you are at home only, you are in lockdown, you are not outside, your partner is not outside, 100% sure you know that they are not exposed. In such a cases, you can perform without mask also. But this mask is a so simple thing. Why to worry for that? So if you prevent them, you abstain them from the kissing and all, nothing happens. This is a very short period which is going on. So as far as possible, whenever you are performing, always use a mask to prevent the airborne infection, cross infections and spread of corona also.
Sir, what about anal sex, or what about
Yes.
oral sex? What
Yeah.
are the chances of spreading corona, through
Yes,
oral or
yes.
anal sex?
This is a very important question, Sumitji. Basically, oral sex is to be prevented, because what happens due to this saliva, due to this kissing, due to this licking, the droplets are transferred to each other. Definitely corona is spread. So avoid kissing with unknown partner, avoid kissing and dating also outside. And what about perianal region? This perianal region is utilized for digiting or for ringing. At that time, what happens in faces also, this all coronavirus are spreaded. So avoid using this anal sex, oral sex, or if you are doing it, use dental dam, tongue condom or condoms. That is safer for that. And as far as possible, to prevent the transmission, it has to be prevented or avoided.
Sir, one last question and one very
Yeah.
important question.
Sure.
What one should do if he or she is exposed or have sex with a partner who is corona positive?
Yes. Means they have performed the sex, they have done the activity. At the time of doing, they are not knowing. And later on, you came to know
Right.
you are positive. Then friends, not to worry at all. This corona is a viral infection. You cannot stop anything which is airborne or waterborne. You cannot lock it. You cannot make a lockdown. Then if you are exposed, just take care. Be isolated for 10 to 15 days. Watch for the symptoms for only fever, cough, and these symptoms. If they are limited for 2 to 3 days, there is no any other type of loose motions or respiratory problem, just wait and watch. Take some symptomatic treatment. Be isolated because you want to prevent the other people to be affected. And after that, do this yoga, pranayam. Keep your diet very nicely. Use the mask, and by this way, not to worry. Keep yourself locked down in your own room with a bathroom, and no need to go hospital. If suppose there is a problem of respiratory distress or something, then you are supposed to go and see the doctors. So friends, I will tell only one thing: continue the sexual activity with safety, with this SMS, sanitizers, mask, and safety
Social
distance,
distancing.
social distancing.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely, doctor. Thank you so much for sharing all
Yeah.
this information, and definitely this information will
Yeah.
help us
All
to many
viewers.
people. Definitely.
Definitely.
But
Yeah.
friends, if you want to take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation, then there are various contact details available right on your screen, and through which you can take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation, and doctor would be happy to help you all. Well, friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.